This is a co-challenge for black. It's actually a very useful pattern because you'll definitely see this kind of thing in games. And usually if you think conventionally, you're going to fail, right? Reducing eye space doesn't work because white is very resilient. This will be another real eye here. And of course, this will be a real eye. So number 1 will fail after number 2. If you come in here, white can capture you like this. And number 1 will be dead. It cannot escape. And white will build 2 eyes very easily. Similarly, this will not work because white can cut. And now number 1 is trapped. It cannot be saved. And that's why white will have an extra eye here, in addition to this one right here. So that's why you need to get a little creative with how to kill white, or at least try to kill white. The first move is not that easy to think about, but it makes sense once you see it. It's right here. Why? Because black is now threatening to come in here to destroy this real eye. So white must respond this way. And what does this exchange do? It makes white's liberties tighter. And now what black can do is to play this move. And if white is not careful, black can Atari here. Number 5 would not exist without 1 and 2. So this is not okay for white. White must play here or here to prevent black from coming in here, right? If white plays here, then this is actually not okay because black can play this move. And now again, white must occupy black's liberties. But no matter what it does, black can pull back like this or this. White's eye space is destroyed and white will die after number 7. So white must play here. And now what happens is that there'll be a ko, right? If black plays here, then white will have to try to contain black this way. Atari here, black escapes, and the ko starts with number 10. And this is a pretty conventional ko. If white wins, it will capture number 7 this way. If black wins, black will capture number 6 this way. There are no local ko threats for either side. And of course, you should also see this ko. It's slightly worse off for black compared with the first one because you're giving white 1 extra stone. And white also captures first in this ko. So this is slightly better for white if black plays a number 5 and gives white 3 black stones to capture if it wins. So overall, this is not a very difficult problem, but it seems a little tricky because when you see this type of pattern in games, you might just assume that white is already alive. So that's why these types of problems are super useful for real games because you're able to see more things and create opportunities that you normally wouldn't be able to create. Hope you enjoyed it, and I see you in the next video. Thank you.